पार्षद माननीय सभापति जी,
papers to be laid on the table, Sri V. Muralidharan.
Chairman, sir, with your permission, on behalf of my senior colleagues, Dr. Harshvardhan ji, Sri Piyush Goyal ji, Sri Dharmendra Pradhan ji, Sri Shripad Yasho Naik ji, Sri Kiran Rijiju ji, Sri Prahlad Singh Patel ji, Sri Rajkumar Singh ji, Sri Hardeep Singh Puri ji, Sri Mansukh Mandviya ji, Sri Ashwini Kumar Chaube ji, Sri Krishan Pal ji, Sri Danve Rao Sahib Dada Rao ji, Sri Purushottam Rupala ji, Sadhvi Niranjan Jyoti ji, Sri Babul Supriyo ji, Sri Dhotre Sanjay Shamrao ji, Srimati Renuka Singh Sarota ji, Sri Som Prakash ji and Sri Kailash Chaudhary ji. I lay on the table of the House the papers listed against their names from serial numbers 1 to 19 in today's revised list of business.
Sri Babul Supriyo, not Babul Supriyo.
Okay, thank you. I stand there.
Report of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Health and Family Welfare, Professor Ram Gopal Yadav, Dr. Hanumantaya.
Sir, with your permission, I rise to lay the Parliamentary Standing Committee report in English and Hindi of Health and Family Welfare.
Okay. Report of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Energy, Dr. Sudhamsu Trivedi.
Sir, I wish to lay a copy each of the 10 reports, Hindi and English version, of the Standing Committee on Energy as listed against my name in today's list of business.
Reports of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Food, Consumer Affairs and Public Distribution, Dr. Fauzia Khan. Sri Satish Chandra Dubey जी.
सामने विभाग संबंधित खाद्य उपभोक्ता मामले में सार्वजनिक वितरण संबंधित अस्थायी समिति के निम्नलिखित प्रतिवेदन के एक प्रति अंग्रेजी और हिंदी में सभा पटल पर रखते हैं.
Statement of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Water Resources, Sardar Balwender Singh Bundar ji.
Sir, with your permission, I rise to lay on the table the Hindi and English versions of the further action taken statement of the Standing Committee on Water Resources as listed against my name in today's list of business.
Statement regarding government business, Sri V. M. Muralidharan.
With your permission, sir, I rise to announce that government business for the week commencing Monday, the 22nd of March 2021 will consist of consideration of any items of government business carried over from today's order paper. It contains discussions on the working of the following ministries, that is tourism, food processing industries, agriculture and farmers welfare and rural development and tribal affairs. Second, consideration return of the appropriation bills relating to following demands as passed by Lok Sabha. Demands for grants 2021-22 and supplementary demands for grants for 2020-21. 3. General discussion on the budget for the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir for the year 21-22. General discussion on the budget for the Union Territory of Puducherry for the year 21-22. Consideration and return of the following appropriation bills as passed by Lok Sabha. The Jammu and Kashmir Appropriation Bill 21, the Jammu and Kashmir Appropriation Number 2 Bill 2021, Puducherry Appropriation Bill 21, the Puducherry Appropriation Vote on Account Bill 2021. Consideration and return of the Finance Bill 2021 after it is passed by Lok Sabha. Other than this, consideration and passing of the following bills after they are passed by the Lok Sabha. 1. Constitution Scheduled Caste Order Amendment Bill 2021, the Tribunal Reforms Rationalization and Conditions of Service Bill 2021, the Government of National Capital Territory of Delhi Amendment Bill 2021, the Mines and Minerals Development and Regulation Amendment Bill 2021, the National Institute of Pharmaceutical Education and Research Amendment Bill 2021, the Juvenile Justice Care and Protection of Children Amendment Bill 2021, the Marine Aids to Navigation Bill 2021, the National Bank for Financing Infrastructure and Development Bill 2021. The last four is subject to the allocation of time by the BSc.
Time is not allocated. Message from Lok Sabha, Secretary General.
Sir, with your kind permission, I rise to report that the Lok Sabha at its sitting held on the 18th of March 2021 passed 1. The Jammu and Kashmir Appropriation Bill 2021, 2. The Jammu and Kashmir Appropriation Number 2 Bill 2021, 3. The Puducherry Appropriation Bill 2021, and 4. The Puducherry Appropriation Vote on Account Bill 2021. The Speaker has certified that these bills are money bills within the meaning of Article 110 of the Constitution. I lay a copy each of the said bills on the table.
Right. Honorable members, I have an appeal to make